Best cheap web hosting. There's no need to pay a fortune for website hosting if you are launching a new website. A cheap web hosting solutions will work just fine. There's a lot of attractive option out there. Separating the good deals from the scams is important. Fortunately, you won't actually have to search through all of them. There are really only one or two dozen reputable web hosts to consider. That list gets even smaller if you are looking for a cheap web hosting plan that actually delivers good service. If you want to get your site online for as little as possible, these are my top picks. Number 1, Hostinger. Hostinger has the absolute cheapest price for hosting at 0.99 cents per month for the single shared hosting plan. So what's the catch? You have to sign up for a 48-month contract, which sounds a little heavy, but bear with me. 4 years of single shared is going to cost less than a single year of hosting through our other providers. Seriously, other low budget hosting plans are still twice to 4 times as expensive. Plus, the introductory rates you get with competitors might skyrocket when you have to renew. Once the honeymoon period is over, you might be looking at $10 or each month. With Hostinger, on the other hand, your rate for shared hosting goes from 0.99 cents to 2.99 month upon renewal. That's still a great price. In other words, the Hostinger full rate is still less than introductory rates from other good cheap hosting options. Okay, great. But I know you're thinking the low rate must mean that there are annoying domain limits and few free tools to build your business. Untrue, Hostinger is loaded to the brim with features and function. Hostinger's single shared hosting plan supports one site and that includes 100 GB bandwidth, 30 GB storage, one email account, free SSL certificate, 99.99% uptime guarantee, 24/7 365 days customer support, optimized for WordPress with one-click installation, user-friendly control panel, Cloudflare protected name servers. There's no free domain name included, which isn't a big deal if you already have one. Bluehost and DreamHost come with a free domain name for the first year but higher per month rates. If you need a free domain name, more storage, or unlimited bandwidth, Hostinger lets you upgrade your plan while keeping cost low. There are three options. Say you need to move to premium shared hosting to support another site that will cost $1.99 per month to start and $4.99 per month when you renew. That's not going to break the bank, and you can host up to 100 websites. Hostinger does a lot to ensure that the service is easy to use. Setup takes time and absolutely zero technical skills. If you ever have issues, Hostinger customer service is always available and has a phenomenal reputation. The company gets you in the door with budget friendly prices and keeps you around with quality support. Choose Hostinger for the lowest per month plan on the market. Try it today risk free, as Hostinger will refund your purchase if you aren't happy within the first 30 days. Number second is DreamHost. Not everyone wants to sign a long contract for hosting, but you usually have to in order to get the lowest price. Typically, you have to pay the whole amount upfront, which can get expensive even when you are looking at cheap plans. DreamHost offers similar discounts if you want to sign a contract, but if you don't, DreamHost month-to-month pricing is the lowest out there. DreamHost Shared Starter is 4.9 per month for one site, no contract necessary. There's really no way to get a lower price without a commitment. This can be really important for cash-strapped startup betting on growth. Instead of a big upfront spend, they can budget a predictable monthly hosting cost into the equation. Freedom isn't free, they say, and it's especially true with hosting. Many young companies have found themselves locked into a long contract with no way out. Now they now they are spending money on service they don't like at a time when even every dollar counts. With DreamHost, you can still get cheap hosting, but you don't have any of the long-term risk that comes with a multi-year contract. When you look at the month-to-month pricing for other plans on this list, there is no competition. A hosting is 10.99 per month, HostGator is 10.95 per month, and Hostinger is 9.99 with a 4.99 setup fee. Bluehost and iPage don't even offer plan without at least a year-long commitment. All of these other plans are great, don't get me wrong, but if you are looking for a no contract option, DreamHost is the clear leader, especially because you get such a solid range of features and free tools to build your site. Unlimited traffic, 50 GB storage, free SSL certificate, free WordPress website builder, free automated WordPress migrations, automated WordPress updates, 24/7 live chat and ticket support. Like Bluehost, DreamHost is officially recommended by WordPress. The integration is deep and all of the updates are handled automatically. That is good. This is good for security purposes and saves you the trouble of doing it yourselves. So you can get all the benefits of tight WordPress integration without the commitment and large down payment required by Bluehost. Now you might think that no contract would mean no money back guarantee. The truth is DreamHost has a 0 days 97-day money back guarantee. That's the longest time to try a web host that I know. If you need more than one site and you want to pay month to month, iPage can't help you. DreamHost offers a straight unlimited plan for $8.95 per month that works for an unlimited number of sites. If you just have one site, shit starter is all you need. Stop worrying about the honeymoon period of your enterprise is going to end. Get DreamHost and pay a low, predictable rate each month. No more contracts, no more inflexible commitments, just reliable hosting that consistent prices.